Say man, hey man, it's your boy Dragons of Thunder and I'm back live with another video. We got 80 numbers. Some people got 5, some people got 4, some people got 2, some people got 1. I did what I did for a reason. Subscriber count and loyalty. So, we got 80 numbers. Now, we're about to do a number generator. When it first opens up, it gives you a number. That ain't what we want. So, we're gonna put in 80, and whatever we generate is gonna be the winner. Boom! So, who is number 68? Josh Rubin. Josh Robin. Josh Robin is number 68. So, Josh Robin is number 68. Josh Robin, you have to pay for your shipping of a 4x2x2. So, I'm gonna go to FedEx. Once I build it, I'm gonna go to FedEx and see the price. You give me your zip code. I will show you a FedEx paper stating your price of your shipping. Then you, my brother, will pay shipping and you will get a 4x2x2 with a UVB bulb, brand new, basking bulb, brand new, and a Chi ceramic heat emitter, brand new. Your Chi fixture, UVB fixture, and your basking fixture will all be mounted in your enclosure. You will have glass front sliding doors. Hit me up. Let me know. Hit me up and let me know if. Let me know where you want your vents at. Where do you want your vents located? And actually, you can send me over a blueprint. You draw up your 4x2 and you tell me where you want your stuff, and I'll do that for you. So you can draw it up and I can build it. If you can draw it, I can build it. So that's how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna let you draw up the blueprints and you send it over. What was his name again? Josh Robin. So Josh Robin, he actually had 1, 2, 3 numbers. It's people, my girl Barbara Charles had like 6 numbers. Some people had 5, some people had 4. You know what it is. But it was supposed to be a total of 7. I didn't do that for loyal subscribers, and a total of 5 for new people. Didn't do that either. But it still equates to the same, you know what I'm saying? So didn't nobody cheat, didn't nobody do nothing wrong. This is all correct and it's fair game. So I enjoy doing my giveaways. I did cash, I did a crested gecko. Now I'm doing a 4x2x2. My next giveaway will be a baby bearded dragon. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe and give me them blueprints and we'll get you your 4x2x2 mailed out, built and mailed out. So my boy Ang, this is his first video. Everybody tell Ang hi down in the comments if you are a loyal subscriber and you love your boy Dragons of Thunder. We got Fang over here and my new shirt, if you can see it. Bang, bang! Thank you, Ohana Dragons. Ohana, shout out for the stickers and the shirt. Also, I'm gonna be working extensively with my girl and we gonna be kicking out some fire babies. So stay tuned for that. But please comment down below and tell my boy Ang hello and good night. Congratulations to the winner. And thank you all for the support. Please go follow my Instagram at Dragons of Thunder. Oh, also, I got another video coming up. I finally got a deal with a kind of big company, man. I'm kind of happy about it. I'll be getting free food and I'll be able to give you guys a discount code. So I did get a new deal and that is real big for me. That will be coming up soon. So make sure you tell your children, your mama, your auntie, and your grandma, uncles and aunties, nieces and nephews to subscribe to my channel. Please, thank you. Comment down below, tell Aang hi, and I'm Outie 5000. Catch you on the next one.